Got a blog, newsletter, or website content just sitting there? You can repurpose those articles into YouTube Shorts and reach a whole new audience. Fast. Shorts are exploding in reach, and converting existing content is easier than you think. Before I break it down, hit like and subscribe for more content repurposing hacks that grow your channel faster. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Pick a topic with a hook. Choose an article with a headline or problem that grabs attention. Example: 5 ways to improve focus while working from home. Take just one of those points and turn it into a 30 to 60-second video. Step 2. Write a script for short format. Break it down like this. Hook: struggling to focus at home? Try this. Tip: turn off all notifications for 25 minutes using the Pomodoro method. Outro: for more productivity tips, subscribe. You can turn one article into multiple shorts this way. Step 3. Add text, captions, and upload. Use tools like CapCut, InShot, or YouTube's built-in editor. Add bold text, captions, and music to match the energy of shorts. If you like this repurposing tip, smash the like button and subscribe. More YouTube growth hacks are on the way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.